All right, so I just let the shrimp fried rice and all the ingredients, let it cook for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the soy sauce. Y'all hear that? All right, so just mixing everything up so it can soak in that soy sauce and give it that nice flavor. And just let it cook for the 5 minutes after you add everything, because you do not want any overcooked shrimp. You don't want rubbery shrimp. I'm gonna tell you that, because that is not a good taste. So just like 5 minutes, I cooked it on medium heat, and that's what I did. So now we are about to plate this. How many minutes?
44 seconds.
All right, so here is the shrimp fried rice. All right, it looks so good. All right, and then I have my teriyaki chicken right here.
That came off the grill.
All right, so this is what it looks like. Looks so good, right?